Why?
Because I'm hungry.
Why?
I haven't eaten.
Why? Yes, you did. What's wrong? What's wrong?
Punch you.
You bitch! I'm gonna kick your ass.
Go for it. Come.
Oh! That hurt! That hurt Alex too!
Sorry, Alex.
Stop it!
Come high five me.
Okay. Oh! What the fuck? What the fuck? Freeze! Freeze!
Die!
Tasty, you killed my chicken! I'm a bad boy. You like that. I like that. Oh, hurt her. Hurt her. Don't throw me. I can't fly yet. Stop it. Stop it. Ah!
Dead.
Can I have me back? Please?
No.
Please?
No.
Please?
No.
What about now?
No.
If I start talking like John Lennon, then will he give it back? What about now? What about Arnold Schwarzenegger? Get into the chopper. Now. Oh.
Not Jared.
No! Arnold Schwarzenegger. Were you about to flick me off?
Oh, then?
Can I have back my frickin' chicken? So glad that wasn't on me. Thank you. Yeah, trap bitch, I kicked your ass. I kicked your ass. Oh, what you gonna do now? What you gonna do now, huh? Oh, oh! No! No! But why? ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué? Oh! That's number 12. Ow! It's really weird. Ow! Karma! Stop it! Ow, but Mom! But Miss! Miss! That was a dick move. Didn't have to pull me in too, man. Not cool. Look what you did to him! Poor thing, he's just a little baby.
Oh, well.
I would have kicked your ass. I would have kicked it all night long. If it wasn't for the fact that I'm in rehab with my son. My son. Why are you whistling? What the fuck was that? Ew. What you fuck up?
Why are you so angry?
I fucked her ass. Maybe I should put the chicken away.